Hello, my name is Xian Yao from the Physiotherapy Department at Sengkang General Hospital. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use a walking frame while following non-weight bearing instructions, meaning you keep your left leg completely off the ground. First, ensure the walking frame is adjusted properly. When standing upright, the handles should align with your wrist creases. Begin seated in a chair with armrests. Do not pull yourself up on the frame, as this could tip it over. Instead, lean forward, press up using your hands on the chair arms and your right leg to stand. Keep your left leg off the floor at all times. Hold the handles firmly and lift the frame straight ahead about 1 full step length. Keep your left leg slightly bent and elevated. Lean forward, transfer your weight through your arms into the frame. Gently step your right leg forward into the center of the frame. Repeat. Leave frame, lean through handles, step right leg. To sit, back up to the chair until you can feel it behind your legs. Reach for the chair arms and gently lower yourself down, continuing to keep your left leg off the ground. Approach close and lift the frame onto the higher surface. Ensure all 4 legs are stable. Step up with your right leg, keeping your left leg bent backwards. Move close to the edge. Place all 4 legs of the frame on the lower surface. Keep your left leg straightened forwards, then bring down the right leg. Place the first half of the walking frame across the kerb and approach close. Place the second half of the frame across the kerb. Step across with your right leg. To recap, adjust the height properly, always keep your left leg off the ground, support yourself through your arms and step your right leg forward. Consult your physiotherapist or doctor for personalized instructions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and focus on your recovery.